You do not need 5 hours of study every day to speak fluent English. You do not need difficult grammar books, advanced vocabulary lists, or perfect pronunciation from day one. The biggest reason most people stay stuck is because they practice English in random ways without training their brain to actually think and respond naturally. That is why even after months of learning, they still freeze during conversations, forget simple words, and switch back to their native language under pressure. Everything changed for me when I stopped chasing complicated methods and started following one simple daily system. A routine that takes only 10 to 20 minutes but trains the 4 skills that actually build fluency: speaking, thinking, listening, and recall. In this video, I will show you the exact routine I use every day to make English feel automatic, natural, and stress-free. And the best part is that you can start using this system immediately after watching this video. Train your brain to start thinking in English. The first step of my routine is something most learners completely ignore. Before learning new words or watching lessons, I train my brain to enter English mode immediately. This step may look simple, but honestly, it is one of the biggest reasons my speaking became faster and more natural. Every day, I spend around 2-3 minutes speaking simple English out loud about my own life. I talk about what I am doing, how my day is going, what work I need to finish, or even random thoughts in my mind. The topic does not matter. What matters is teaching my brain to create thoughts directly in English instead of translating from my native language. For example, I say things like, "Today I want to become more productive," or "I need to complete my work before evening," or "I feel more confident speaking English now." These are not advanced sentences, but they train your brain to respond quickly without overthinking every word. At first, this feels uncomfortable because your brain is not used to producing English naturally. You may pause often, repeat words, or make mistakes. But that is exactly why this practice is powerful. Fluency is not built by being perfect. It is built by reducing hesitation step by step. One important rule is that you must speak out loud. Silent practice is not enough because real conversations require your brain, mouth, and confidence to work together at the same time. Speaking loudly also helps your pronunciation improve naturally with repetition. Most people wait until they feel ready before speaking English confidently. Fluent speakers become confident because they speak daily even when they are not perfect. That daily repetition slowly removes fear from the brain and makes English feel normal instead of stressful. The listening method that makes English enter your mind naturally. After the speaking warm-up, I move to the second part of my routine, which is listening. But this is where most learners make a huge mistake. They listen passively like entertainment and expect fluency to happen automatically. That almost never works because your brain only improves when it listens actively with attention. Every day, I spend around 5 minutes listening to short English content. Usually, I choose simple videos, interviews, podcasts, or motivational clips with clear pronunciation. I never choose content that feels extremely difficult because struggling with every sentence only creates frustration and confusion. While listening, I focus on understanding the meaning directly in English instead of translating everything into my native language. This is very important because constant translation slows your brain and creates hesitation while speaking. The goal is to train your mind to connect English words directly with ideas and emotions. One thing that helped me a lot was repeating small sentences immediately after hearing them. Not like a robot, but with emotion and natural rhythm. If the speaker says, "You need consistency to improve," I pause and repeat the same sentence with confidence. This trains pronunciation, speaking speed, listening ability, and sentence flow together. At first, you may not understand everything. That is completely fine. Even fluent speakers do not catch every single word all the time. Focus on understanding the overall message instead of chasing perfect understanding. Another powerful habit is listening to the same short clip multiple times, instead of changing videos every minute. Repetition helps your brain become familiar with common sentence patterns, pronunciation, and natural expressions. Slowly, English starts sounding more predictable and comfortable. Most people try to force fluency by studying rules constantly. But language becomes natural when your brain hears English daily in a relaxed and consistent way. The more quality English your mind absorbs, the more naturally your own speaking starts improving without feeling forced. The daily thinking exercise that removes translation habit. This is probably the most powerful part of my entire routine because this is the step that slowly changes how your brain operates. Most learners understand English, but when they try to speak, their mind first creates the sentence in their native language and then translates it into English. That extra mental step is what creates hesitation, slow responses, and nervousness during conversations. So, every day, I spend a few minutes training myself to think directly in English. Not difficult thoughts. Just simple daily thinking. For example, while walking, eating, working, or sitting alone, I describe situations in English inside my mind. I think things like, "I need to reply to this message," or "The weather feels nice today," or "I should complete this task quickly." This exercise may look very small, but it completely changes the speed of your English speaking over time. Your brain starts building direct connections between thoughts and English words without depending on translation from your native language. In the beginning, your mind may go blank often. You may not know the correct words immediately. That is normal. Do not stop the exercise because of that. Use simple vocabulary and continue thinking anyway. Fluency grows from consistency, not from using advanced words every second. One thing that helped me a lot was replacing perfection with speed. Instead of trying to create perfect sentences mentally, I focused on expressing ideas quickly in simple English. This made my brain more flexible and reduced overthinking during conversations. Another important thing is that this practice can happen anywhere. You do not need a classroom, notebook, or special setup. You can train your brain while traveling, walking, or even waiting for something. That is why this method becomes powerful very fast, because it turns English into a daily mental habit instead of a study session. The moment your brain starts thinking directly in English, speaking becomes smoother, faster, and far more natural. The recall technique that makes English stay in your brain. The final part of my daily routine is recall practice, and honestly, this is the step that makes everything stronger. Most people consume English every day through videos, lessons, or podcasts, but after a few hours they forget almost everything. That happens because their brain receives information but never practices recalling it actively. So, after listening or speaking practice, I spend a few minutes recalling what I learned without looking at notes or subtitles. For example, if I watched a short English video, I try to explain the main ideas again in my own words. I ask myself simple questions like, what did I understand, Or, what new sentence did I hear? Then I try to speak the answer in English. This exercise trains your memory and speaking ability together at the same time. Your brain starts learning how to pull English sentences quickly instead of waiting and translating under pressure. That is exactly what happens in real conversations. You do not get time to prepare perfect answers. Your brain must respond naturally and fast. At first, you may remember only a few points. That is completely normal. The goal is not perfect recall. The goal is training your brain to search for English actively. Even recalling 2 or 3 sentences daily creates powerful improvement over time. One thing I realized is that fluency is not built from learning more and more information every day. Real fluency comes from using the English you already know again and again until it becomes automatic. Recall practice helps transform passive knowledge into active speaking ability. And this is why this complete routine works so well. Speaking trains confidence. Listening trains understanding. Thinking trains speed. Recall trains memory and response ability. Together, these 4 steps create a full system that slowly makes English feel natural in your daily life instead of something difficult and stressful. If you follow this routine daily, even for just 10 to 20 minutes, you will start noticing a huge change in the way you speak and think in English. Your mind will stop freezing so often. Your responses will become faster. And speaking will start feeling more natural instead of stressful. The biggest secret is not talent, perfect grammar, or learning difficult words. It is daily repetition with the right system. Remember, fluency is built slowly through small actions repeated consistently. The more your brain hears, thinks, recalls, and speaks English every day, the more automatic it becomes. One simple routine practiced daily can completely change your confidence in English. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.